Well, hi, my name is Ola Johnson. I'm with Olga Fouché, and I'm going to be solving a math equation today. I'm participating in the challenge program at Georgia Tech for the year 2014. Okay, over to here. Look at this question. This is x dy dx plus 2y is equals to 1 minus 1 over x. Now, this is not usually the way differential equations are presented. So what we're going to do is that we're going to show a new way to do this. Now, if you have this equation, you can, okay, let me show you over here. Check this out. This can also, if you assume, or not, if we assign the value y prime to be equals to dy dx, from this equation you can see that x, y prime, plus 2y is equals to 1 minus 1 over x. If we, now, what we're going to do is that we're going to get the y value separated from everything else. So you have y prime plus 2 over x, y is equals to 1 over x minus 1 over x squared. That's basically multiply by 1 over x. Multiply by 1 over x. Did you get that? Yeah. Now, what we're going to do is that from this, we're going to calculate a value mu. Mu is equals to e to the integral of the coefficient of y, which is 2 over x. It comes from the formula in which for y prime plus f of x, y, and f of x times y is equals to g of x. Mu is equals to e to the integral of f of x, which just happens to be 2 over x in this situation. Okay, so we got that. Wipe that off. Okay, now looking at this from normal integral knowledge, this should be equals to the natural log of x multiplied by 2. The reason why I'm not putting plus c because the constant will eventually cancel out in some other processes. But then looking at this now, this is also equivalent to e to the natural log of x squared, which is equivalent, move down to here, to e, which is equivalent to x squared. So mu is equals to x squared. Now from normal math functions, what we're going to do, we're going to multiply through by mu. So you get mu y prime plus mu times 2 over x y is equals to 1 over x minus 1 over x squared times mu. This should give you mu y prime plus mu 2 over x y is equals to, we're going to substitute mu here, so you have 1 over x minus 1 over x squared times, just write this, 1 over x squared times x squared. Now, if you integrate this side and you integrate this side, ideally, this should give you mu y. The integral of this side should be mu y. And this should be equals to integral of 1 divided by x times x squared is equals to x. And then 1 divided by x squared times x squared is equals to 1. So this should be x minus 1. Ideally, integral of x minus 1. Okay, so that means that mu y is equals to the integral of x minus 1, which is x squared all over 2 minus x from normal integral knowledge. So we're going to save that here. Check out for that. Wipe this off, get that off. Yep. Some of the things in this video you do not have to understand, but just understand that for any function in the form where mu y prime plus f of x times y is equal, f of y is equals to g of x, the integral of mu y is always going to be equals to the integral of g of x times mu. Okay, so we got that down? Yeah. Now, mu y from the question before is equals to x squared all over 2 minus x squared. So that means that y, plus c, don't forget your plus c. Plus c, don't forget that. Plus c, so that means that y is equals to x squared all over 2 minus x squared, x minus x plus c all multiplied by 1 over x squared from mu is equals to x squared. So yeah, divide out by mu. Get that? So now that y is equals to, yeah, that's y is equals to that. Now, from this function that we already predetermined before, we know that at the point where the function of y is 2, x is like when x is 2, y is equals to 1. So we put y is equals to, so when x is, sorry, 1y is 1. So basically, when y is 1, it's meant to be equals to 2 squared over 2 minus 2 plus c, all multiplied by 1 over 2 squared. So that means that 1 should be equals to 2 squared divided by 2 is equals to 2, minus 2 is 0. So that means that c times 1 over 4. So that means that c is equals to 4 times 1 is equals to 4. Okay, got that down. So if you want to rewrite the full equation, y is equals to x squared over 2 minus x plus 4. Check it out. Simple. Have a nice day.